Stream's looking great on YouTube.
All 3 streams look really good.
Oh, thank goodness.
The tornado warning is gone.
Oh, that's good. Of course, there could be more.
No, I didn't, because when I just looked at it a minute ago, it was still there.
Look how heavy the rain is in that light. Oh, you saw me on Ryan Hall? Well, thanks for coming by. Try to put where you can hear the wind. Whoa! Whoa! Oh.
Kevin, who's 1 mile from me, he came over from Ryan's feed.
Hi, Kevin.
Wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble.
It's a wobbling stop sign, you know.
Kent E. Step says, Cincy means 2 things. Skyline Chili and Florence, y'all.
And Houday. Don't forget Houday. Whoa! Oh! Now you're talking. There it is. Yeah, that's at least 40. Wow. Woo!
Max sustained wind 75 miles an hour, minimum pressure 980 millibars. Moving northeast at 17. Francine continues to move inland over southern Louisiana. Life-threatening storm surge, heavy rains, and hurricane force winds.
Thank you, Alyssa, for the update. Whoa! Look at that.
8 p.m. Central Time.
Whoa! Mama. Oh, snap. The tree is getting jiggy with it. It's getting jiggy with it. Whoa, that moved the car. It's moving the car. Oh, my, holy shit. Oh, that's a little spinner right there.
What in the world have we gone squirrely tonight?
Whoa, power flash. It's a power flash over there. There goes another one. Damn! Oh, Lord. Under an evacuation order. Whoa! Crap!
National Weather
Service.
Woo!
Readiness in effect for this area until 1 a.m. CDT.
This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation.
Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order.
Holy shit! Yeah!
57.2 miles an hour. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding.
Oh, here comes another one. Whoa, here we go. Oh, snap. Okay, that moved the car a little bit. Oh, snap. Whoa! Whoa! There we go. Woo! Oh boy, here comes a big one. Oh, Look at that. Oh, snap. Woo. Better turn this away, though. Damn. That's a lot of rain. Bit stormy. Yeah, just a little storm. Named Francine. Whoa. Holy shit. It's shaking the car out. Oh, we don't have a, whoa. Oh.
Another missile marker. Just to your southeast.
Oh. So this is this. Oh damn! Is this still moving northeast? Oh.
Yes.
I'm surprised it hasn't happened already. Well, speaking of which, oh, and they're back. Uh-oh. Whoa, power flash over there. It's a power flash right over there. Whoa. Turn back that way. Here, we should be able to see the power flash on the right. Keep watching to the right. Damn, that wind's strong enough it's not letting my wipers go. I got them on high.
It's a lot of water. You hit 1K subscribers on YouTube.
1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Woo woo!
It's a hurricane waterfall.
Yeah, I got a half a tank. They don't have any gas here, so of course I wanted to drive under it. There it goes. Come back over here. Whoa. I was born BC before computers. I gotta remember that one.
We're old, Doc. We were born in the 1900s, you know.
We were born in the 1900s. We're old. Back in the 1900s. That's when we were born. The stuff we talk about during hurricanes. Lord have mercy.
And we watch that show every week.
Oh man, Hee-Haw was the bomb diggity, man. Alright, I gotta quit driving around. I'm wasting gas.